boy Cooking with Chef Manny, aka the Bunko Chef. And today I got something so special for us tonight for dinner. I'm very excited. It's probably one of the best steaks that you can eat. It's not choice, it's not prime, but it is Wagyu steak. Look at that steak. Look at all that marbling. This is American Wagyu, Snake River Farm. Found it at Safeway. Can't believe I found it there, but I did. But anyway, let's get ready. I'm also going to put in some clips showing you the difference between choice, prime, and Wagyu. Enjoy. Hey y'all, this is your boy Cooking with Manny. We got 3 different steak selections that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to choose the best one. We have regular choice, prime, and Wagyu. You see the difference? You see the marbling difference between the steaks. Choice has the least. Prime has a good amount. But what we want is a Wagyu. Alright y'all, right here I have started mashed potatoes. I've added some rosemary from my garden. I've added some fresh garlic, some olive oil. Stir it up. Smells so good. I wish you could smell it. And yeah, we're gonna let that cook. It's gonna be about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright y'all, here we have our beautiful ribeyes, and with that I'm only going to season it with salt and pepper, and then I'm going to finish it with a little bit of rosemary and garlic at the end. You could just feel the fat melting off your fingers. A little bit of pepper. It's always, when you do pepper, to have fresh ground pepper. You get more of the pepper flavor. Some salt, freshly ground. Good to go. Alrighty, our pan is nice and hot. Just a touch of olive oil. Here we go. Now these steaks are going to cook fairly quickly, so in the meantime, this pan over here, I'm going to be cooking our vegetables. I'm going to turn these steaks so you get some nice grill marks. Alright, let's flip them. Oh, beautiful color. Beautiful grill marks. Beautiful crust. Gotta love it. In this pan, I'm going to be cooking some asparagus and some mustard and some sliced garlic. And our mushrooms. A bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I'm adding my rosemary and garlic to the steak. Got a little bit of butter for the steaks as well. Mushrooms are already getting some good color. I'm going to add my garlic to that. I'm going to turn my steaks again. Rosemary and garlic flavor. Add my asparagus. A little bit more salt and pepper. Stir it around just a little bit. Take it off and put it on the cutting board to let the steaks rest. Look how juicy that looks, guys. Oh my God. Let's cut into it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna grab a piece. You're gonna see what it looks like when you eat it. Cuts like butter. Perfect medium rare. Oh my god. The flavor is so good. You get such a beefy flavor. So tender. Best piece of meat I've had so far. Let's eat. Alright, y'all, this is your boy Cooking with Chef Manny, aka the Funko Chef. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Leave a comment down below. Later.